Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Enduros. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn the frame around, like if you're going to put it on, like this. Once you've done that, I like to rotate the frame at a 90-degree angle. Just makes it easier to work with. Now let's locate sections here and here of the frame, and we're going to be pulling out on these sections as we push the lens forward to unseat it. So use these two fingers to pull out on the frame as you push the lens forward with your thumb. Let's give it a shot. Perfect. Now you should hear a little popping sound when you unseat the lens. Do not worry, completely normal. Again, it's just the lens unseating itself from the grooves of the frame. So now we're going to do the same thing to this side. Locate sections here and here of the frame, pull out and push forward with your thumb. Let's give it a shot. Perfect. And now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn your frame around like so. Have it facing towards you. Now once you do that, locate the inside grooves of the frame. Now for the Enduro, I like to line up my lens to the bottom groove first. Just makes it easier to seat the lens in. And today, I'm going to be installing my new Seek Optics Revo Fire Red lenses. Pretty awesome, right? Alrighty, so let's go ahead and locate the bottom edge of the lens here. And we're going to locate to the bottom groove. We're gonna line up here. And now, once you have that lined up, all you gotta do is push down or inward to get it seated. Give it a shot. And you should hear that pop. Now when you hear that pop, again, do not be alarmed. It's just the lens seating itself to the grooves of the frame. And now this section here, do the same thing. Locate the bottom groove here. Line up your lens and push down to seat it in. Perfect. Now once you've done that, you can actually go ahead and take your microfiber pouch. It serves as a cleaning cloth. So go ahead and give the lenses a nice little wipe down just to make sure that you're getting rid of any impurities, any oils, or anything that might have stayed behind during the installation. The other side. And now you're good to go. Of course, once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses into your frames, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag Seek Optics. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you do have any further questions or concerns about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.